Okay, this is black. My husband believes it's grease or oil. And he washed his car and he couldn't get it off, so I told him I'd try it with Spray Away concentrated. I put a little bit on a rag, and this is what happened. So with the rag again. This one's more obvious. And you gotta realize he scrubbed at this and scrubbed at this for a long time, couldn't get it off. And these are not harsh chemicals. Spray Away is non-toxic, so it's cleaning my jewelry at the same time. So this is pretty cool. Now, Spray Away has always worked best if you spray it and left it. So I don't know if I had sprayed it and left it, wouldn't make any difference. Well, it seems to. If I go back on the parts that I've already treated, it seems to work, wash off a lot easier. Now, I don't know what that was. I don't know if it was tar or paint or what, but you can see that it's gone.